YouTubers, I wanted to pop on with a quick little video about the new blades that Silhouette released. Silhouette recently released these 3 blades specifically for the Cameo 4 or the Portrait 3. So the Cameo 4 has the bigger carriage. This is the Cameo 4 auto blade. And if you wanted to use one of the blades from the older machines, the 1, 2, or 3, you had to use the adapters. So this is a ratchet blade. You can see how much smaller it is than the auto blade. And you would have to put it in the adapter, and then you could use it in the Cameo 4. So basically what they've done is they've released these 3 blades, which are versions of the blades for the older machines, just so you don't have to use an adapter with them now. So this manual blade 1mm is a ratchet blade. This manual 2mm blade is the deep cut blade. And then this 2mm craft blade is the craft blade that was meant for the Cameo 3. They've just made it with a larger base on it so that it'll fit in the Cameo 4. Cameo 4, the Portrait 3. All of these are for the left carriage, not the right one with the extra pressure. They're meant for the left carriage, and all they are just the same blades, just without the adapter. So you don't need the adapters anymore. That's all they are. They're not anything special or different. I basically just wanted to do this video real quick so that you don't feel, even though they're new, don't feel obligated to buy them. They're not going to do anything special or different or new or wonderful than your blades you have right now. Also, the other thing to know is the reason that we're looking at pictures is they're a bit pricey, if you ask me. Right now on Silhouette's webpage, these guys are $20 each plus shipping. On Amazon, they're $28 with free shipping. So if you need them, they are nice because you can actually find them. It's really hard to find blades, obviously, right now. But you can actually find them, and you can find them in stock. So if you need a blade, by all means, use this. But do know that there's nothing special about it. Yes, they're new, but no, they're not special. Also, they only work in the Cameo 4 and the Portrait 3. You cannot use them in any of the other machines. Also, this craft blade, any of the craft blades, they will not cut vinyl. They will not cut vinyl. They are very specialized blades that are kind of annoying to use, if I'm brutally honest. So don't buy this thinking that even though it goes in the left carriage, you can use it to cut vinyl. You can't. Vinyl, paper, none of that. Don't use that. You need one of these. So hope that helps real quick. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments, and I'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.